Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to trigger a page view for a form submission with the Google Tag Manager. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the form submission tag to trigger every time someone on my page proceeds to check out and then fill up this form here for the login. Now let's go to our Google Tag Manager. Let's start off by creating a tag. I already created one earlier. I named my tag GA Form User Login. I set the product to Google Analytics and then chose Universal Analytics for the tag type. Under Configure tag, I chose GA Property ID for the tracking ID, and then I chose Page View for the track type. Then under More Settings, Field to Set, I set the first field name to Page and added the value Page Path Registered User. I set the second field name to Title and added the value Registered Users Checkout. But you must remember, the field to set depends entirely on which form you want to tag in your website. I proceeded to Continue, and then I chose Form under Fire On and clicked on the New button to create a new trigger. However, I already created one earlier. I named my trigger Login Form. I chose Form Submission for the event, then set the maximum wait time for the tags to 2000 milliseconds. This is equivalent to 2 seconds. I ticked the Check Validation box and then clicked on Continue. Under Enable When, I selected Page URL from this drop-down, and then I select Contains from this drop-down. I typed in /checkout/ and then I clicked on Continue. Under Fire On, I selected Form Classes from this drop-down, and then Equals from this drop-down, and I typed in Login for this portion. I then saved my trigger, and then saved my tag. Now I will test if my trigger will fire on my website. To do this, I'll proceed to the preview mode. I'll click on this button beside the Publish and click on Preview. This orange banner appears when I'm on preview mode. I will proceed to my demo website and go to the home page. I'll click on a product, then click on Add to Cart, and then View Cart. I'll click on Proceed to Checkout and click on this login link. Now we can see our login form. I filled up the username with my email and then entered the password. Watch closely at this portion of my website as I click on the login button. As you can see here, the tag GA Form User Login that we just created appeared at the preview panel of my page. Now let's go to my Google Analytics. I'll click on Global Traffic, then I'll click on Content under Real Time. We are now viewing the activities with my website that happened for the last 30 minutes. As you can see here, Google Analytics has detected the registered users activity within our website. This means that our tag is working. Thanks for watching this video tutorial on how to trigger a page view for a form submission with the Google Tag Manager.